Welcome to our comprehensive series on how to use estate planning to preserve generational wealth. In this first episode, titled Understanding Generational Wealth, we embark on a journey through the vital principles of preserving wealth for the prosperity and security of future generations. Today, we'll delve into what generational wealth truly means and why its preservation is essential, not just for your immediate family, but for the future lineage as well. Throughout history, families have strived to build and maintain wealth across generations, creating legacies that endure beyond lifetimes. But what makes some families successful in preserving their wealth through decades and even centuries? And more importantly, how can modern families employ strategic estate planning to achieve similar enduring success? We'll explore these questions and more, providing you with the knowledge and tools to start building your own lasting legacy. Generational wealth isn't just about financial assets. It encompasses knowledge, values, and a foundation upon which future generations can build their dreams. It's a bridge connecting the past, present, and future, a testament to the resilience and foresight of those who came before us. But preserving this wealth requires careful planning, understanding, and most importantly, action. Whether you're starting from scratch or building on existing foundations, this series will guide you through the essential steps of effective estate planning. So join us as we uncover the secrets to preserving generational wealth. From historical successes to the practical steps you can take today. Our journey begins now as we lay the groundwork for a prosperous future, not just for ourselves, but for the generations that will follow. Definition of generational wealth. Generational wealth refers to assets and resources that are passed down from one generation to the next within a family or lineage. This type of wealth encompasses not only financial assets such as money, investments, and property, but also includes intangible assets such as knowledge, values, and social capital. Generational wealth is often seen as a means of providing financial security and opportunities for future generations, enabling them to build upon the foundation laid by their predecessors. The concept of generational wealth is closely linked to the idea of creating a legacy that endures beyond one's lifetime. It is about ensuring the long-term prosperity of one's descendants by strategically managing and preserving assets over time. By passing down wealth from generation to generation, families can establish a strong financial foothold that can support their members in achieving their goals and aspirations. Generational wealth can also play a crucial role in promoting economic mobility and reducing inequality within a family or community. By accumulating and preserving assets over multiple generations, families can create a solid financial base that can help break the cycle of poverty and provide opportunities for upward social mobility. In the context of estate planning, the preservation of generational wealth involves careful consideration of various factors, such as tax implications, asset protection, and succession planning. Estate planning strategies can help ensure that assets are transferred efficiently and effectively to future generations, minimizing the impact of taxes and potential disputes among heirs. Overall, generational wealth is not just about financial prosperity, but also about creating a lasting impact that benefits future generations. It involves a thoughtful and strategic approach to managing assets and resources in a way that supports the long-term well-being and success of one's family members. Importance of preserving wealth for future generations. Preserving wealth for future generations is a crucial aspect of estate planning that goes beyond simply passing on assets. It involves strategic decision-making and careful planning to ensure that the wealth accumulated over a lifetime can benefit not only the current generation, but also generations to come. There are several key reasons why preserving wealth for future generations is important. 1. Legacy and family values. Preserving wealth allows individuals to pass on not just financial assets, but also their values, beliefs, and principles to their descendants. By creating a sound estate plan, individuals can ensure that their legacy is carried forward and that their family's values are upheld for generations. 2. Financial security. Inheritance can provide future generations with financial security and stability, enabling them to pursue their dreams, invest in their education, start businesses, or weather financial challenges. By preserving wealth, individuals can empower their descendants to achieve their full potential without the burden of financial insecurity. 3. Long-term planning. Preserving wealth for future generations involves long-term planning that takes into account potential risks, uncertainties, and changing circumstances. By creating a comprehensive estate plan, individuals can protect their assets from taxes, creditors, and other threats, ensuring that their wealth remains intact and continues to grow over time. 4. Family harmony. In many cases, Disputes over inheritance can lead to family conflicts and estrangements. By preserving wealth and clearly outlining how assets will be distributed among heirs, individuals can prevent misunderstandings, disagreements, and legal battles that can tear families apart. A well-thought-out estate plan can promote family harmony and unity by providing clarity and transparency regarding the distribution of assets. 5. Philanthropy and social impact. Preserving wealth for future generations also opens up opportunities for philanthropy and social impact. By including charitable giving and philanthropic endeavors in their estate plan, individuals can leave a lasting legacy of generosity and contribute to causes that are important to them. This not only benefits society but also instills a sense of purpose and responsibility in future generations. Preserving wealth for future generations is a multifaceted process that involves more than just transferring assets. It is about safeguarding a family's legacy, ensuring financial security, promoting family harmony, and making a positive impact on society. Through thoughtful estate planning and a focus on generational wealth preservation, individuals can create a lasting heritage that transcends financial value and enriches the lives of their descendants for years to come. Historical examples of successful generational wealth preservation. Throughout history, there have been several notable examples of successful generational wealth preservation achieved through effective estate planning strategies. These examples serve as valuable lessons for individuals seeking to preserve and pass on their wealth to future generations. Below are some historical examples worth exploring. 1. The Rockefeller family. One of the most famous examples of successful generational wealth preservation is the Rockefeller family. Established by John D. Rockefeller in the late 19th century through his success in the oil industry, the Rockefeller family employed sophisticated estate planning techniques to ensure the wealth accumulated over generations was preserved and managed effectively. Through the use of trusts, foundations, and strategic investments, the Rockefeller family has been able to maintain their wealth and philanthropic endeavors for over a century. 2. The Rothschild family. Another prominent example of successful generational wealth preservation is the Rothschild family. Known for their success in banking and finance, the Rothschilds utilized a combination of prudent financial management, strategic investments, and the establishment of family offices to ensure their wealth survived and thrived across multiple generations. By diversifying their assets and investing in various industries, the Rothschild family was able to grow their wealth and maintain their status as one of the wealthiest families in history. 3. The DuPont family. The DuPont family, known for their success in the chemical industry, is a compelling example of generational wealth preservation. Through careful estate planning, including the creation of trusts and family foundations, the DuPont family was able to safeguard their wealth and ensure its continued growth and success over successive generations. By investing in innovation and diversifying their business interests, the DuPont family exemplifies how strategic planning can lead to long-term wealth preservation. 4. The Ford family. The Ford family, founders of the Ford Motor Company, is renowned for their successful generational wealth preservation strategies. Through the establishment of family trusts and the implementation of sound financial planning, the Ford family has been able to maintain its wealth and influence over several generations. By focusing on long-term investments and philanthropic endeavors, the Ford family has solidified its legacy as one of the most successful examples of generational wealth preservation in modern history. In conclusion, these historical examples of successful generational wealth preservation highlight the importance of strategic estate planning, prudent financial management, and long-term investment strategies in ensuring the continued prosperity of future generations. By studying these examples and implementing similar strategies, individuals can effectively preserve and pass on their wealth to benefit their families and communities for years to come. If today's insights have sparked your interest, or if you're already implementing these strategies and have stories to share, we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below, share your experiences, and let's continue to learn and grow together. Remember, building generational wealth is about more than just numbers. It's about creating a legacy of knowledge, values, and opportunities that will support your loved ones for many years and generations to come. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative, subscribe to our channel for more financial wisdom, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on part 2 of our series on how to use estate planning to preserve generational wealth, where we will discuss setting financial goals and objectives. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep striving for financial excellence and building a legacy that will outlive you. Farewell, and see you in the next video.